I am kind of stupidly excited to go to a car wash, but there it is, and I'm getting pretty jazzed. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda. It's pretty cold and windy out here. It's still winter here, but this car wash has been under construction forever, and it's just got me tingling in all the right places. Maybe that's why I'm excited about a car wash. I mean, that's one of the reasons, because it's been teasing me forever. But the second reason is because I have never had a subscription to a car wash. I've never been one of those people that can afford that country club lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? I always paid for my washes wherever I could get them for $2 or $3. But because this was new, and it's one of these automated fancy car washes where apparently you can just kind of drive in with your subscription. I don't know. I've never done it, so we'll see. They offered something called the Founders Club. So I think you get their top of the line wash, but for their base subscription, and that's why I said, yeah, I'll do it. It's like 50% off. I want to say like their signature wash is something like $39.99, and I think I'm subscribed technically for $24.99. And why I'm excited is because I said on the Facebook page this just opened up yesterday, so I couldn't get here yesterday, so I'm here right now. So you are going to see what it's like to go through this. Now, I have the app. You've got to download the Driven app for the Driven car wash. Looks like the Detroit D right there. And you've got to put in your car. So they've got a little picture of my car and your license plate number. And so maybe they have license plate readers. I'm not sure. Maybe you have to punch in something, scan the app. I have no idea. That's why I'm so excited. Let's try out that signature wash and see if it does everything it's supposed to do. Remove the dingleberries, wash the tires, give the sack a little tickle. You know what I'm saying? So it's going to do the whole thing. My car is pretty dirty. It's not the dirtiest. We haven't had snow, but you still get a lot of this road salt all over everything, right? So it should look better. I mean, the nice thing about a subscription on these things is you can keep your car always looking nice. You can see, I mean, these wheels are pretty dirty there. Dirty girl. The back is where you can see it on the kind of this black glass. That's the dirtiest part of it. So let's see what it looks like after we do a little run through this Driven car wash. Alright, I guess I gotta go around here. They've got some arrows. Go this way. Car wash is right there. Got a nice big roundabout. So I can see there being a line here, especially with this being new and fancy. And you can see we've got 3 green arrows up here like it's an ATM. Clearance 7 foot 2 inches. So I gotta duck my head going in here. But I'm just kind of curious, since I've already got it set up, if it does something. I see a little camera down there. Maybe it's looking for my license plate. Performing a deep scan of my vehicle. And look at that. It says it right there, unlimited signature plane. Look at that. I just drove in. That's amazing. I know. Elon is inventing driverless cars, and I am just geeked about an automatic car wash where I didn't even have to roll down my window. That was pretty nice. And this guy is getting pretty excited, waving people in there. Got a Land Cruiser in front of me. So, pretty nifty. Let's see what the experience is like. All right. So what was awesome is there was no line here. You know, it's just at the end of the workday, and maybe because it's new, nobody's using it yet, but I gotta imagine that a place like this, especially in the winter, would probably be quite busy. A little surprised it's not busier yet, but maybe it will be. All right. My boy there is signaling me to go into neutral. Hands off. Thank you. Ooh, that was a bright flash of light there on the washing bar there. I will say this. Everything looks brand new, because it is. I mean, they just built this thing, which is pretty awesome. And just going through a car wash is a little like Asmere to me. Ooh, Asmere. Oh, look at the water. Yeah. It's so bright. This is what they call the lava bath. This is that signature level car wash membership right here. Yeah. You know what? I didn't get invited to become a member of Augusta National, but this is almost as good, maybe even better. Because how often are you going to really golf there? I tell you what, you get a lot of lights, man, if you're into that house music nightclub thing. Look at all the rainbow unicorn stuff. It's like I just hit a unicorn and it's splattered all over the front of my car here. That's what you get with this level wash. I mean, this should be all the bells and whistles. I can't see a thing though. I could be rolling up onto the car in front of me. Oh yeah, clean it. Clean that car. I got brand new washing pads running over my car, banging on my window here. Ooh, this is gonna be a high-powered spray right there. Yeah. Again, very bright, Ooh, that's a... Yeah, I can feel it rumbling through the car. Ooh, more soap? My goodness. This is more cleaning than I get. Pretty long. Okay, right there it says graphene and ceramic seal. So you get that in this top level wash, which is actually pretty nice because, you know, in the winter, you got so much soap and, or not soap, but salt and debris. If you do get graphene and ceramic on here, that's pretty nice. Look at that tire shine right there. It's also saying heated dry. Yeah, baby. So my wheels are gonna be nice and shiny and the car is gonna be nice and dry. Now, once we get through it all here, we'll check out the car. But what I do like is that the blowers are still on the track. Sometimes I've seen it where you have to drive yourself through the blowers. You probably can't even hear me. They're so loud. Yeah. Look at those. But it's kind of blowing the car dry and just sending you on your way, which is awesome. Still drying, still drying. It says don't go yet. Don't you dare. Now it says I can go, right? So what I like about that is sometimes people just kind of linger there in the drying area. And then right here we have vacuum cleaners, so you can pull in here and get a little vacuum. All right, look at all these. All right. And they're all on like arms, so you can get all the way around your car, which is pretty cool. All right, I'll probably vacuum here, but you've probably seen that. That's not what I'm really excited about. You probably want to see how well did we clean this car. Let's take a look. All right, so here's the car. Just pulled straight out and it is, ooh, it's clean and shiny. Look at that. Tires are shining. Those wheels are all cleaned. All that stuff from the front is gone. Oh my gosh, my little toilet cover came off. That's how violent this wash is. You know, those brushes are really brushing. Hopefully I didn't lose anything. Oh, look at this. It opened my gas cap door too. Well, good thing it didn't break off. All right. I mean, that looks pretty darn good. This is the wheel I showed you before, which looked crappy. And everything looks good here on the back. Even better. Now we're back to mirror-like shine right there. So that's pretty awesome. Pretty nice to be able to get the car protected and cleaned up just like that. And what I loved is you just drive up, scans your license plate, shows you your car, you're good to go. It doesn't get much easier than that. And I think it's unlimited, so I could just drive right through again. Hey, I am feeling pretty important in this unique and elite club. But if you want to come here and get your car washed while you're driving it, well, then the driven car wash is probably the one you want. I'll put a link to this one in the description below so you can experience it too. Peter Von Panda, out.